Hi, it's Maxine Kaye from the Greater Philadelphia Center for Spiritual Living with a love note tonight. We have challenges we need to deal with sometimes, and deal with them we do. We deal with them more effectively when we come from principle, when we utilize the wonderful teachings of science of mind. One of the main challenges that people have from time to time is that of pain, either physical, emotional, or mental, existential. What do we do when we encounter that in our human experience, knowing we are divine beings and that doesn't exist in the mind and heart of God? What do we do with it when we feel it in our own bodies or our emotions or our minds? Well, of course, the best answer is establish a consciousness of peace, because peace is going to eliminate the pain by transforming it from that tension and from that terrible feeling to one of serenity and harmony. That's the answer. The question is, what are the steps we need to take to get there? Whether the pain is within ourselves or within another person we care about. I think first and foremost, we need to set our vision higher so that we see as God sees, in perfection, in tranquility, in comfort. Being able to move our attention from the very challenging situation to the answers, to the resolution, is what we are trained to do. Every religious scientist who has been studying the science of mind for a week or 100 years has the ability to apply these principles. We can say, God is peace, and right where the pain seems to exist, peace is present. When we are filled with conviction of that truth, instantly a change begins to occur. It isn't always instantly. Sometimes it takes a while for a belief system to catch up with a new idea and a new concept and a new awareness. Because in this world, we certainly are impinged upon with the subjective human race conscious mind, which believes in suffering and the necessity for discomfort. That's not the truth spiritually. And we are walking step by step into a place where we finally realize the underlying harmony of this universe is available to show up and to shine up within ourselves and with others. So let's take one step at a time. Let's begin by affirming peace. Peace. Peace is here. Tranquility, serenity, comfort, love, and compassion. Let's continue to focus on the truth that sets us free, keeps us free. We have human experiences, and we meet them with spiritual solutions. I'll be with you again very soon. Much love to you from Reverend Mike and from me. You matter to us, and so it is.